Are you looking to make money while you sleep? Imagine waking up to money in your bank account earned while you were catching those Z's. That's the power of passive income, and it's a game changer on the road to financial freedom. Now, achieving true financial freedom goes beyond just working a 9 to 5. It's about building lasting wealth that works for you, not the other way around. In this video, we're diving deep into the top 5 passive income streams that can help you unlock your earnings and set yourself on the path to financial independence. Let's kick things off with affiliate marketing, a fantastic way to dip your toes into the world of passive income. It's a method that has gained immense popularity over the years due to its simplicity and potential for high returns. Imagine this. You recommend a product or service to your audience, and when they make a purchase using your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's like being a middleman who gets rewarded for connecting buyers with sellers. The best part? You don't have to create the product, handle customer service, or deal with any of the logistics. It's like getting a cut of the profits just for spreading the word. This means you can focus on what you do best, creating content and engaging with your audience. Now you might be wondering, where do I find these affiliate programs? The good news is, there are countless options available. Well, many companies offer affiliate programs, from tech giants like Amazon to smaller niche businesses. This diversity allows you to choose programs that best fit your audience's interests and needs. You can find programs that align with your interests, whether it's technology, fashion, or anything in between. The key is to select products that you are passionate about and that resonate with your audience. The key to success in affiliate marketing is building trust with your audience. Provide genuine value, share honest reviews, and recommend products you genuinely believe in. Authenticity is crucial here. When your audience trusts your recommendations, they're more likely to make a purchase through your affiliate links. Trust is the foundation of any successful affiliate marketing strategy. Building a platform is crucial for affiliate marketing. Whether it's a website, blog, YouTube channel, or social media following, having a platform allows you to reach a wider audience and share your affiliate links. The larger your audience, the greater your potential earnings. Remember, consistency is key. Don't expect to get rich quick with affiliate marketing. It takes time to build an audience, gain their trust, and see consistent results. Patience and persistence are essential. But with dedication and hard work, you can create a sustainable stream of passive income through affiliate marketing. The rewards can be substantial if you stick with it. Here's a pro tip. Focus on building an email list. Email marketing allows you to nurture relationships with your audience and promote affiliate products directly to their inbox. This direct line of communication can significantly boost your conversion rates, and don't forget to track your results. Use analytics tools to see which products are performing well and which ones aren't. This data is invaluable for refining your approach. This will help you optimize your strategy and maximize your earnings. Continuously improving your tactics based on data will keep you ahead of the curve. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to start generating passive income online. It's low cost, flexible, and can be done from anywhere in the world. Whether you're at home or traveling, you can manage your affiliate marketing efforts. So why not give it a try? You might be surprised at how much you can earn. The potential is limitless, and the journey can be incredibly rewarding. If you're passionate about a topic and love teaching others, creating an online course could be your golden ticket to passive income. Think about it. You create the course once, and it can generate income for years to come. It's like having a digital asset that works tirelessly for you, even while you sleep. The beauty of online courses is that they cater to a global audience. You're not limited by geographical boundaries. Anyone with an internet connection can access your course and learn from your expertise. But what makes a successful online course? Well, it starts with identifying a profitable niche. What are people eager to learn? What problems can you solve with your knowledge? Once you've found your niche, it's all about creating high-quality content that provides immense value to your students. Don't be afraid to get creative with your course format. You can use videos, workbooks, quizzes, and even live Q&A sessions to engage your students and enhance their learning experience. Marketing your online course is crucial for attracting students. Leverage social media, content marketing, and email marketing to reach your target audience and showcase the value of your course. And here's a secret sauce. Build a community around your course. Create a space where students can connect, ask questions, and support each other. This fosters a sense of belonging and encourages students to stay engaged with your content. Creating an online course requires an upfront investment of time and effort. But once it's up and running, it can generate a steady stream of passive income. allowing you to earn while you focus on other projects or simply enjoy life. The freedom and flexibility it offers can be truly life-changing. Now let's talk about a classic passive income strategy: dividend stocks. Imagine owning a tiny piece of a company that pays you a portion of its profits just for being a shareholder. That's the beauty of dividends. It's like receiving a paycheck from your investments. But before you dive headfirst into dividend stocks, it's crucial to understand the basics. Look for companies with a solid track record of paying dividends consistently. These are often well-established companies with a history of profitability. Diversification is key in any investment strategy, and dividend stocks are no exception. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your investments across different industries and sectors to mitigate risk. Remember, dividend investing is a long-term game. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about building wealth gradually over time through the power of compounding. Reinvesting your dividends is a powerful strategy for accelerating your returns. Instead of pocketing the dividend payments, you reinvest them to buy more shares, which in turn generate more dividends. It's a virtuous cycle of growth. Dividend stocks offer a fantastic way to generate passive income and build long-term wealth. With careful research, diversification, and a long-term perspective, you can create a portfolio of dividend-paying stocks that provide a steady stream of income for years to come. Have you ever dreamed of getting paid for your creativity? Imagine turning your passion into a steady stream of income. Royalties offer a fantastic way to monetize your skills and generate passive income from your creative work. Whether you're a writer, musician, or software developer, there's a royalty stream out there for you. Let's start with book royalties. Writing a book can be a labor of love, but it can also be a lucrative source of passive income. Every time someone buys your book, you earn a royalty payment. And with the rise of ebooks and audiobooks, the potential for reaching a wider audience has never been greater. Musicians can earn royalties from their music through streaming services, licensing agreements, and public performances. Every time your song is streamed, played on the radio, or used in a film or TV show, you receive a royalty payment. Software developers can generate passive income by creating and selling software licenses. Every time someone purchases a license to use your software, you earn a royalty payment. And with the rise of software as a service, say AS, the potential for recurring revenue is enormous. The key to success with royalties is to create high-quality work that resonates with your target audience. Build a loyal following, promote your work effectively, and watch the royalty payments roll in. Royalties offer a fantastic way to monetize your creative passions and generate passive income from your skills and talents. So why not explore the world of royalties and see if it's the right fit for you? You might be surprised at the income potential that awaits. Remember, the journey to financial freedom through your creativity is just a step away. Embrace it and let your talents shine. Now let's talk about real estate, a popular investment avenue for building wealth. But what if you could invest in real estate without the hassles of being a landlord? That's where real estate investment trusts, or REITs, come in. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate. Think of them as a way to pool your money with other investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of properties. One of the main advantages of REITs is their liquidity. Unlike traditional real estate, which can be illiquid and difficult to sell quickly, REITs are traded on stock exchanges, making them easy to buy and sell. REITs are also required by law to distribute a significant portion of their taxable income to shareholders in the form of dividends. This makes them an attractive option for investors seeking passive income. There are various types of REITs, each specializing in different types of properties, such as office buildings, shopping malls, apartments, and healthcare facilities. This allows you to diversify your real estate investments across different sectors. Investing in REITs is a great way to gain exposure to the real estate market without the headaches of property management. With their liquidity, dividend payments, and diversification benefits, REITs can be a valuable addition to any passive income portfolio. Building multiple streams of passive income is the key to unlocking financial freedom and designing your dream life. You don't have to jump into all 5 at once. Start with one that resonates with you and gradually expand your portfolio. Remember, the journey to financial independence is a marathon, not a sprint. If you're hungry for more insights on making money online and building wealth, hit that subscribe button and join our community of like-minded individuals. Start building your financial empire today.